Shabbat Smart Water Waste Pump Controller. So this arrangement is a single pump, single float. So here in the sump we have a water pump, we have a water level float and alarm float. Looking at the controller, we'll start from the left. We have a 9 volt DC power supply supplied with a unit. Then we have 2 relays, where the left relay is a pump operation relay, the right relay is a water level relay for the alarm. So the alarm is a volt-free contact. You can put in it any type of alarm. It could be a buzzer, it could be a text message service, it could be an email service. It's a volt-free contact, so you can trigger any type of alarm with it. The relay for the pump is a volt-free relay. We have the live coming into the common, then the live leaves on a normally open connection when the relay is triggered and goes down through the cable along with the neutral and earth to the pump. Then we have in the sump 2 floats, one for water level and one for alarm. The water level float is connected on the lower connection, and there's an option for 2-wire default or 3-wire option, where on the 3-wire we have high and low, and on the 2-wire we have high or not high. Then we have an alarm float, a 2-wire. If the water level reaches a high level, which means the pump is not doing its job, then it will sound the alarm or trigger the alarm through this right relay. Then we have the Shabbat weekday mode switch. When the contact is closed, it's weekday mode. If the contact is open, it's Shabbat mode. Remaining, we have over here 2 rotary switches and 2 out of the 4 dip switches that we use. So the rotary switches, this is RV1, and RV1 is used to set the operation intervals in Shabbat mode. It could be the low minimum of 10 minutes and a maximum of 60 minutes. That's how often the pump will trigger, operate for a number of seconds as set in RV2, between 3 and 10 seconds. And at the end of this operation time, 3 or 10 seconds, it will check the float switch. If the water is empty, no water in the tank, it will drop and therefore it will stop. If the water level is still high, the pump will continue operating until the water level drops. We have the dip switches. So dip switch number 1 dictates if it's a low, high, or high only, which means if it's a 2-wire, a 3-wire float. And dip switch number 4 will dictate the operation mode, whether it's in a standard operation mode or in a commissioning mode. And under the commissioning demo mode, the pump will operate in Shabbat mode every 10 seconds and then check the float so we can commission the system and test the Shabbat operation properly. And that will be dip switch number 4. If it's on, it's in commissioning mode. If it's off, in standard mode. Thank you for watching.